So I'll be showing you how to clear cache on your OnePlus Watch 2. Now you can only clear the cache and app data app by app. And so what you want to do is go to settings. The easiest way is to go to swipe down and tap on the settings icon like I've done, and then scroll down to apps and notifications, tap on that, and then go to app info, tap on that. That's going to load all the apps on your watch. And then now you can scroll and find the app whose cache you want to clear. Let's say for instance you want to clear for the internet browser. So tap on that, and then if you scroll down and tap on app info, you can actually see some more information like storage space, data, cache, all that stuff. So you can see I have 3.11 MB of cache data, and if I scroll down I should see the option to clear cache. I can tap on that, and that's going to clear the cache for that specific app. So you want to go and find every app that you suspect has stored a lot of cache data, and you clear it like that, and that's going to clear most of the cache or all the cache on your OnePlus Watch 2 and make your watch run faster and even save more battery. Thanks for watching and good luck.